Did you know that the Turks and Caicos Islands were once managed by both the Bahamas and Jamaica? Here's how it happened. The Turks and Caicos Islands were first controlled by the Bahamas, both under British rule. This meant the Bahamas was in charge of looking after Turks and Caicos. In 1873, the British government decided to take away this power from the Bahamas and gave the responsibility to Jamaica, another British colony. This meant that Jamaica now had to manage the affairs of Turks and Caicos. This shift might have caused some hard feelings between the Bahamas and Jamaica. The Bahamas might have felt like they lost some control, and this could be one reason why there might still be some tension between the two countries today. When Jamaica became independent in 1962, the Turks and Caicos Islands chose to stay under British rule and became a British overseas territory, no longer linked to either Jamaica